The principle of manual glass cleaning lies in the softening effect between professional glass cleaners or water and dirt, combined with the friction between a cloth and the glass surface. This effectively removes dirt and water stains, restoring the clarity of the glass. Similarly, window cleaning robots use suction to press the cloth tightly against the glass surface, generating sufficient friction to simulate manual wiping, thereby effectively removing dust and light grease. The level of friction depends on the suction specifications of the machine, which can be understood as the pressure applied to the glass surface by the machine, similar to the force exerted by a hand. Its unit is PA, Pascal. It is worth noting that many manufacturers take advantage of consumers' lack of understanding of technical details by labeling suction specifications based only on the fan component's theoretical suction, rather than the actual suction of the entire machine. For example, the RS7 Plus adopts a fan with a suction specification as high as 8,000 PA, but its labeled suction value is based on whole machine test results, accurately reflecting its real performance. The suction performance of window cleaning robots differs under dry and fully wet cloth conditions. In particular, suction usually decreases when using a fully wet cloth. However, the RS7 Plus, thanks to its exceptional engineering design, can stably maintain suction above 4,300 PA even with a wet cloth, ensuring efficient and stable cleaning performance. This robust capability not only handles tough cleaning challenges with ease, but also provides users with a convenient and highly effective cleaning experience, making everyday cleaning easier and more enjoyable.